Welcome to Badminton 101 with the PE Playbook. Thanks for joining the PE Playbook, your ultimate resource for sports, fitness, and fun. Whether you're learning a new game or sharpening your skills, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into one of the fastest racket sports in the world, badminton. This video will give you everything you need to get started. Badminton is a dynamic sport that requires speed, agility, and strategy. Played in singles or doubles, the goal is simple. Hit the shuttlecock over the net and make it land in your opponent's court before they return it. Before we start, let's talk gear. Here's what you'll need. 1. A badminton racket. Lightweight and designed for quick swings. 2. A shuttlecock, also called a birdie. It's typically made of feathers or plastic. 3. A court. The court is 44 feet long and has different widths depending on the game mode. 17 feet wide for singles and 20 feet wide for doubles. 4. A net. The height stands at 5 feet 1 inch high at the edges and exactly 5 feet in the middle. Now, let's talk about how the game is played. Let's go over the basic rules so you can hit the court with confidence. First is the serve. The serve must be hit below the waist and travel diagonally across the court. If your score is even, you'll serve from the right side. If odd, you'll serve from the left. Next is scoring. In badminton, you earn points when you win a back-and-forth battle, also known as a rally. A rally is won when your opponent fails to return the shuttlecock within the rules. You can score a point when your opponent hits the shuttle out of bounds, your opponent fails to return the shuttle, your opponent hits the shuttle into the net, or your opponent commits a fault. Some examples of faults would include the shuttle being hit out of bounds. The shuttle does not make it over the net. There is a double hit, meaning the shuttle is hit 2 times in a row on one side, or the net is touched by someone's body or a racket. Games are played to 21 points, and you must win by 2. For example, if the score is 20-20, the game continues until one side has a 2-point lead. Matches are the best of 3 games. The first player or team to win 2 games wins the match. Now let's talk about some of the essential skills you need to dominate the court. First is your grip. This is your main foundation for gameplay. Hold your racket like you're shaking hands with it. This is called the forehand grip. For backhand shots, just turn the racket slightly so your thumb rests against the back of the handle. A proper grip gives you more control and power. Next is footwork. Badminton is all about quick reflexes. Stay light on your feet, keep your knees slightly bent, and always move back to center after each shot. Good footwork helps you return shots faster and stay in control. Last, let's talk about a few important shots to master. First is the clear. This is a deep, high shot that pushes your opponent to the back of the court. Next is the drop shot. This is a soft shot that just clears the net, forcing your opponent to rush forward. Last is the smash hit. This is a powerful shot. Think of it like a volleyball spike, fast, strong, and difficult to return. If you want to win more games, your strategy will be an important part of that. Instead of just trying to use power every single hit, focus on placement rather than strength. Make your opponent move. Mix up your shots to keep them guessing, and most importantly, always reset yourself to a neutral position after each shot so you're ready for the next play. Practice, patience, and smart strategy can help win matches. And there you have it. Now that you know the basic rules, skills, and strategies, grab a racket and start practicing. Whether you're playing for fun or in a tournament, badminton is a great way to improve agility, reflexes, and endurance. Thanks for watching the PE Playbook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome PE content. See you next time.